Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Tasya Awalia Putri. My ID number 211221166. I am from Guidance and Counseling Islam from class 2A in University Raden Masaid Surakarta. And now I will be show about a review journal of linguistical assessment about a use smartphone impact in a student. The journal is about the journal is about modeling smartphone addiction, the role of smartphone usage, self-regulation, general self-efficacy, and cyber living in university students. In part 1, along with providing the opportunity to access the internet, mobile phone have today become more than just a means of communication among individual people. They have transformed into tools which provide virtual environment and digital identity through which people seek enjoyment. And first question one, what do you think about the impact smartphone in students? I think a smartphone edition in the literal mobile phone edition has been given various different names, such as problematic mobile phone usage. The smartphone addiction is different from drugs based psychology addiction, such as addiction to alcohol and housing, and health behavior based. Ellen question you. Are you agree with your reader? Yes, I also agree with your reader. Cause smartphone and university student make a individualist people, and the smartphone make a chance anything has virtual and make sure everything can do it together and else. And the last industry summarize the article. I think here that article make the individual people it determine it is variable that prediction smartphone addiction the most is smartphone usage. In this case, rules can be made regarding students' use of smartphone or internet in the classroom, and it should be entered that rules are followed with consistency. Yes, this is a review journal for me, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Laila Fitri Nurhaliza from class PKI 2A. In my opinion, smartphone addiction among students is bound to happen. As in the journal Modeling Smartphone Addiction Use, Self-Regulation, General Self-Efficacy, and Cyberloving in University Student. Smartphone addiction is now very common because of the rapid development of influential technology. Smartphone addiction is excessive use of smartphone and is difficult to control and can cause negative things. Smartphone provide access to information via the internet, also allow sharing of new material and provide opportunities for easy communication and social interaction. Furthermore, because the opportunity to easily access the internet can cause students to cyberloving. Cyberloving may be interpreted as using the smartphone excessively so that it can cause negative things. Because of the easy internet access, students always use smartphone in their daily life, especially during the COVID pandemic period like yesterday, which required them study at home using smartphone, which of course added to their addiction. Even today, it's not just student, even children are addicted to playing smartphone, which then affects negative things such as disrupting daily activity and can even affect health, especially mental, because of the many negative things that are spread in the internet world. To prevent this, of course, it must be from ourselves to regulate its use smartphone.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Lutfia Manaiswoyo. Number 1, in my opinion, it is true that today's cell phones are not only a means of communication, but also as a tool for online shopping, and the presence of mobile phone is very influential in everyday life. Number 2, I agree with the content of this journal because it is in accordance with the facts. The effect of smartphone addiction of problematic behavior such as depression to communicate with others, spending excessive time of smartphones, losing patience, and psychological disorders. And number 3, the tendency of teenagers to suffer from smartphone addiction is directly proportional to their cell phone use. Cell phone is the most extreme unhealthy behavior. With regard to cell phone use, smartphone use can turn into a responsive condition for both individual and society in the long run. Overuse of smartphone and the habit of checking in the end can encourage users to become addicted to mobile phones. In a study conducted with a large working group, it was found that the use of social network in the form of chat negatively affect academic success. In addition, it has been shown that cyberbullying is an obstacle in information and communication technology.
Hello, my name is Amanda Safitri from class Islamic Guidance and Counseling 2E with student ID number 211222117 here. For the first, I will convey my opinions regarding the use and influence of smartphone on studying. My opinion about the influence of smartphone use on studying in very many and various. Some have a positive impact and some have a negative impact. An example of a positive impact is the increase in the mean to become leader because of the easy access available on smartphone. But there is also a negative impact, namely with a student's addiction to the use of smartphones, play online game, and so on. For the second, do you agree with the journal that you have read? Yes, I agree with the journal that the author has made, that in the use of smartphone there are positive and negative impact. And for the third, a summary of the journal. According to the phenomenology research result regarding smartphone addiction, problematic behavior such as desperate effort to connect with others, excessive time spent on smartphone, losing temper, psychological disorders, and disruption in daily works were reported. It can be assumed that inappropriate use of mobile phones in the classroom environment will affect students in a negative way. Furthermore, the opportunity to access the internet everywhere, using various methods, and the increase of AI chatting application might cause students engage in extraneous activities during class. In other words, to practice cyberbullying.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Alvita Putrinarta from BKI 2A, Group 3. My ID number 211221171. I want to explain related journal modeling smartphone addiction. The role of smartphone usage, self-regulation, and general self-efficacy and cyberbullying in university students. First point, in my opinion, from the journal, smartphone addiction is the excessive use of smartphones in a way that is difficult to control, and its effect extend to others areas of life in a negative way. The fun and excitement that initially arises from using a smartphone can turn into a disturbing condition for both individuals and society in the long run. Second point, yes, I agree with the writers. Often use smartphone and habit of checking can eventually drive the user to compulsive use or even addiction. Third point, it was determined that the variable that must predict smartphone addiction is smartphone use. In this case, rules can be made regarding the use of the telephone or internet by students, and it must be ensured that the rules are obeyed. I think that's enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.